Hi, my name is Milena Pajic, and thank you for joining me on my course Business Analysis Managing Requirements. I'm a Master of Computer Science, PMP and CBEP, professional Scrum Master, and a true Kanban evangelist. The course aims to help you comprehend the requirements lifecycle management knowledge area, prepare for the IIBA certifications, and master the skills of business analysis. Plus, you can earn professional development units, PDUs, and continuing developing units, CDUs, by completing this course. The main topics that we will cover in the course include the tasks of the knowledge area: trace requirements, maintain requirements, prioritize requirements, assess requirements changes, approve requirements. Who can benefit from taking this course? Business professionals possessing various competencies, from understanding of system engineering concepts, business case development, modeling techniques and methods, leadership, over to project management. Also, the course is aimed at people who work with business analysts to better understand the required set of skills and their scope of work. With appealing memorization techniques presented, the team from an imaginary software product development company, and an abundance of real-life scenarios, you will be able to get a complete deep dive into the process of requirements management. Join me and embrace the opportunity to expand your skill set.